It's your boy Roscoe. I'm a very close relative to Cletus. So yeah, anyways, I just made this little character. I had a small thing about Cletus, so yeah. That's pretty funny. This is Roscoe. He's a fat boy. So yeah. Dangerous truck driving. Oh my god. Why is my car so tall? It shouldn't be so tall. That makes it unfat. Bruh. I really don't. I want one win. I'm gonna probably do this so trash. Oh no. Ooh. I'm gonna jump. Oh. No, 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 no. What the fuck? No. No. I gotta watch out here. Ah, what the? Bro. What the hell are you doing? Get out the way. Bro, you're not here. That's it. No! God dang it, I hate you. Aww. I don't know how I'm supposed to. 200 Robux. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Oh! Go! I got this. I am not gonna make it. I'm gonna do it again. Wait, no, it's gonna crash! I should probably watch out. Oh! Am I cooking? I'm probably gonna fall off. Gosh dang it! I want that school bus. Go on. Yeah, yeah, no, yeah. Go. No! Oh my goodness. I hate this game. The worst part, I'm so trash at it. I'm stuck. I don't know what the hell happened here, but oh, I'm unstuck. I'm creating a. What is this guy? Bro, I swear. What the? You are not going anywhere. This guy is not. What the hell is happening? Bro, this guy. That's it. Go. I gotta go right now. Yes! We did it! Why am I going backwards? Bro, what is this? Hello? I hate this game so much. Bro, I swear to God, what the hell is happening over here? Dumbass! What the hell, man? Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? You hella annoying. Now I'm gonna crash into you. Let me get past this stupid Nah. Oh my goodness. He's just doing it. You want me to... Oh my goodness, you are so annoying. Nah. Get back here! I'm gonna make a pass, buddy. I'm gonna make a pass. Haha! No friends! Okay. Oh my goodness, I keep falling. I just wanna get... I just wanna get to the... at least checkpoint 1. These guys are still fighting. Bro, what the f... I hate you. Nah. You wanna bet on it? Haha. Why am I going backwards? Oh my god, I hate you. Haha. They don't know. I hate these guys. They're so annoying. Oh, thank you. No. No, you are not doing that. Yes! Get out! I'm just taking this path. Oh, yeah, thank you. No, that's actually it. What is this guy's name? So I think this guy. Not fudge! I hate this game so much. Yes! I made it! Let's go! No! Are you? I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm not making it past this stage. Come on. Come on. Yeah. No! Fuck! I cannot. I'm just gonna jump. I'm just gonna put it out. Look at my emote, I got yippee! Wait, does it actually work? Come on. Please let it work. Think you go like this. No, this is unsalt. Bro, this is not how you do it. Huh? I do not know. What? I think you go behind the wall. No! It doesn't work. That does not work. I feel like dance 2. That does not work either. Okay, I don't know. I am never gonna beat this. Sorry guys, I gotta end the video since I keep it low-key 8 minutes. I'm just gonna hit you guys with that. Bye. See you in the next video with Rascal. Look at him.